What's up guys, Joey here of YugaTech, and Vivo just showed off the new NEX 3 here in Shanghai, China. The NEX series has always been known to push the envelope when it comes to smartphone design. We've seen this with the original NEX and NEX 2, so now let's see what the NEX 3 has in store. The phone feels quite hefty due to its almost 7-inch form factor. But even with a full glass back, it feels lighter compared to other phones with a similar build. The glass back comes in this glowing night color, but there's also a liquid galaxy variant for a lighter shade. Here at the back, we have a unique camera setup which Vivo calls the lunar ring camera. It's 3 cameras arranged in a round manner. But let's not get sidetracked and forget about what makes this phone unique. Up front, you get a seamless all-screen display thanks to the edges that curve almost all the way. It's a 6.89-inch POLED waterfall display, which is a first for Vivo. It really curves and stretches all the way to the edges of the phone, making for a screen-to-body ratio of 99.6%. That's crazy. It's also got support for HDR10, it produces ambient lights when you play music or have an incoming call, and being Vivo, you do get an in-display fingerprint scanner. And of course, aside from the curved edges, the screen achieves this look thanks to the pop-up selfie camera. Beside which you find the headphone jack, microphone, and an extra power button in case you don't like the new button setup, which is a set of virtual power and volume buttons on the side of the phone, which is essentially still part of the screen. The buttons have haptic vibration, which looks and feels really cool, but let's see how this performs in the long run. Finally, at the bottom we have the dual SIM tray, a microphone for calls, Type-C port, and a downward firing speaker. The Vivo NEX 3 comes in 4G and 5G versions. This one we have here is the 4G version, by the way. And it's powered by a Snapdragon 855 chipset, 8GB of RAM, 128GB of internal storage, Android 9 Pie skin with FunTouch OS, and a 4500 mAh battery with Vivo's 44W super flash charge. For cameras, at the back you get a 64MP main shooter, 13MP ultrawide, 13MP telephoto, and in front a 16MP selfie shooter. For now, check out these sample shots. While the 5G version starts at 5,698 yuan for the 8GB of RAM variant and 6,198 yuan for the 12GB of RAM variant. It's gonna be coming to the Asia Pacific and Southeast Asian markets in the coming months, so if you wanna get your hands on this guy, stay tuned for that as well as our upcoming full review. So what do you guys think about Vivo's latest NEX 3? Let us know in the comments down below, and if you enjoyed this video, please do drop a like, subscribe to our YouTube channel for more content, hit the bell icon to get new future uploads, and be sure to visit YugaTech.com for the latest tech news and reviews. This has been Joey, and I'll see you guys in the next one.